Hey there, language lovers! Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Wordsmith English Academy. Today, we're diving into the world of parts of speech, the building blocks of the English language. Let's break them down one by one. Nouns, the naming words. Nouns are the names of people, places, things, and ideas. Examples: man, woman, cows, house, playground, idea, job. Quick challenge. Name 3 things you can see around you right now. Comment below. Pronouns, the replacers. Instead of repeating nouns, we use pronouns. They make our sentences smooth and natural. Examples: I, you, he, she, it, you, we, they. Personal pronouns. My, your, his, her, its, your, our, their. Weak possessives. Me, you, him, her, it, you, us, them. Personal pronouns object form. Mine, yours, his, hers, its, yours, ours, theirs. Strong possessives. Myself, yourself, himself, herself, itself, yourselves, ourselves, themselves. Emphatic and reciprocal pronouns. Quick tip. Instead of saying John loves John's dog, say John loves his dog. Sounds better, right? Adjectives, the describers. Adjectives help us add colour and details to nouns. Examples: pretty, happy, good, bad, long, short mini game. Describe your favourite food in 3 adjectives. Drop them in the comments. Verbs, the action heroes. Verbs bring sentences to life by showing action. Examples: play, see, take, make, do, could, swim, did. Quick question: what's something you love to do? Say it in one verb. Adverbs, the verb boosters. Adverbs tell us how, when, or where an action happens. They usually end in lie. Examples: well, badly, slowly, quietly, fast, long, try this. Add an adverb to this sentence. She sings. Comment below. Prepositions, the connectors. Prepositions show the relationship between words. Think of them as the glue holding your sentence together. Examples: in, at, of, out of, forward, outside, over, visual trick. Imagine a cat and a box. The cat is inside the box. That's a preposition at work. Conjunctions, the linkers. Conjunctions connect words, phrases, and sentences. They're the bridges of language. Examples: and, because, but, thus, while, when. Quick tip. Try combining 2 sentences using and or but. Example: I like pizza, but I love burgers more. Interjections, the feelings. Interjections express emotions and reactions. They're like emojis in spoken form. Examples: whoops, ah, boo, wow, pust, whoa, game time. Comment an interjection that describes how you feel right now. And there you have it, the 8 parts of speech. Did you learn something new? Smash that like button. Want more fun lessons? Hit subscribe and turn on notifications. Challenge. Try writing a funny sentence using all 8 parts of speech and share it in the comments. Let's see who gets the most creative. See you in the next video. Stay curious and keep learning.